Okay, story time, guys. Here's the deal. My dad wants to play Call of Duty. Yeah, fine, sure, whatever. But here's what you don't know. We travel all over the United States together. And I was talking about this laptop right here, the Corsair Voyager, and I was really excited. And my dad turns to me and says, I want to play video games. And I was like, wait, what? What video game do you want to play, Dad? And he's like, I want to play Call of Duty. I was like, well, then we should get you a gaming laptop. And then I was here at Origin, and they gave me the Corsair Voyager. And I was like, well, wait a minute. If I'm here, can he play his first ever Call of Duty here on site? How do we do that? Can we do that?
Hey, Justin, I can help with that. Three, two, one, action.
What is, Deb, what are you doing? What is going, hey.
Justin, this isn't about you. Let him tell his story.
Oh, okay, fine, I'm going.
My name is Glenn Robey. I work with Justin Robey, aka Robeytech. I'm also known as Papa Robeytech. That's a new name I've recently acquired thanks to Corsair. What I do for Robeytech is I'm the executive producer. I work hand in hand with Justin, managing basically the back office business of Robeytech. Justin's the face of Robeytech. Everything behind the scenes, I kind of manage.
You ready to fly?
I'm ready. Let's go. Justin was raised just the beginning of the tech boom in the United States. This was in the early 90s. We got our first computer, bought it from Sears. It was a robust computer, had a 40 meg hard drive. And on that computer, Justin got his first taste of games. Me and my wife loved to play Tetris. And from the time we sat down on the couch to play, there was Justin right next to us saying, no, Dad, do it this way, do it this way. And to the point where we weren't playing the game, he was playing the game. So we handed the controls over to him, and that started his interest in games. Justin was always kind of in the tech creation, even with Microsoft. Microsoft had a streaming thing that Justin was kind of involved with, and then that grew into starting his own channel. He started a little Lego channel, and then he decided, hey, let's just do tech. And he just got to the point where he says, you know, I just want to break away from Microsoft. This is what I want to do full time. I know that was hard for Justin because that's a big leap of faith. And then now hire me and hire several other people and take care of their lives as well and run a business. It's just something that's incredibly part of. Last year, I got a chance to travel with Justin, and at the end of the shoot, they were doing a 5-on-5 first-person shooter competition. And last minute, the fifth person was busy doing something else, so Justin said, hey, Dad, come try this game. And it was just a blast from the get-go. You know, the map up here, you see the person in front of you, and next thing you know, you're dead on the ground. Who shot me? I have no idea. I didn't have no idea what I was doing. I don't really control myself. But I actually happened to win one round because I got lost on the screen, lost on the map, and the other team couldn't find me, and time ran out, and I was the last one left.
Dad did it! Oh my gosh!
I actually won a round. I have no idea what I'm doing. I've always loved mystery novels, spy novels, World War II novels. And Justin said, hey, we have this opportunity to get this new laptop, Voyager. It plays games. Now we can travel. You can play Call of Duty. I said, Call of Duty, that's what I want to play. That's great. We have a lot of downtime. I'm not always busy on set. Justin's the one in front of the camera. I'm in the background sitting on a couch usually. I'll pick up the laptop and be able to play a game. And playing that game will keep me young at heart to keep up with Justin. Justin thinks he's so good at video games, but I don't think he's as good as he thinks he is.
Clutched in the face. Move it. Oh,
This is the worst.
Oh, God. Ow! Come on, that's not fair.
The audience, Justin's crowd, knows that he doesn't, and they beat him all the time. So maybe if I play a little more, I'll be able to beat him as well. Ooh.
Yeah, that's good.
Coffee, yeah. All right, Justin, let's do this.
No, Dad! Dad, okay,
Yeah.
look, you know how you wanted to be like Papa Robeytech in Call of Duty? Well, you can't be. There's some dude who's been pwning me for like the last 10 minutes in the game.
Well, get good, son.
In all seriousness, Dad, thank you so much for sharing the story and just doing this. This has been a lot of fun.
This has been fun.
It really was, believe it or not, all about this laptop. It really did start. And for those who don't know, this is the Corsair Voyager. And obviously, huge shout out to Corsair and AMD and Origin for hooking us up. Just to give you some highlights of why I'm really excited about this and why we wanted to do this around this piece of hardware is this is a pretty rad laptop. It's got AMD Advantage. We got a Ryzen 6800M. We've also got this incredible, it's true mechanical keyboard, and then of course the Stream Deck. Now there's some really incredible content we're going to be making with this very soon, including potentially doing some Top Golf just using this platform. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you see down there in the corner right down there, that like and subscribe. Do us a favor, just nudge it, because if you want to see more cool content that's like this, or if you like that content, then I'd love to see you like and subscribe. And then ring that notification bell so you get a notification each and every time we post a new video here on Robeytech. Now, did you see that fire Instagram story of us having that stack of 4090s? That was pretty rad.
That's pretty incredible.
Or maybe the Jenga of us on TikTok. You don't want to miss content like that. We're posting it all the time. So check out us at Robeytech absolutely everywhere on all the socials. And lastly, make sure you follow at Andy the Lab on Instagram, who did the incredible cinematography for this entire thing. It was our first collab, and I'm looking forward to doing so much more with her. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let us know down in the comments if you did, and we will see you on the next one.